Imagine waking up every morning knowing that $1,000 a month is flowing into your bank account without you lifting a finger. No late nights, no overtime, no stress, just money working for you. Sounds like a dream, right? The truth is, it's entirely possible with the right strategy and smart investments. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $1,000 a month in passive income and start building a life of financial freedom. Welcome to your financial freedom. This is the channel where we help you master your money, grow your wealth, and create a life of independence. If you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your passive income goals. Let's start with the basics. Why is passive income so important? The truth is, relying solely on your 9-to-5 income is risky. What happens if you lose your job, face an emergency, or simply want to take a break? Passive income provides stability, security, and the freedom to live life on your terms. Passive income isn't just about money, it's about freedom. It's about creating the life you want without being tied to a paycheck. Before we dive into the strategies, let's define what we're working toward: financial freedom. Financial freedom happens when the income from your passive investments is enough to cover your desired lifestyle. For example, if your lifestyle costs $3,000 a month, and your passive income generates $3,000 or more, you're financially free. The key to reaching this goal is to start small, stay consistent, and scale up over time. Today, we're focusing on the first milestone: making $1,000 a month in passive income. Let's explore how. Strategy number 1: dividend-paying stocks. The first strategy to generate passive income is through dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks that pay you a portion of the company's profits, typically on a quarterly basis. Why dividends work? You earn money just for holding the stock. Dividends can be reinvested to compound your returns. Example, let's say you invest $50,000 in a portfolio of stocks with an average dividend yield of 4%. That's $2,000 a year, or $167 a month in passive income. Start small. Even if you can only invest $5,000, at a 4% yield, that's $200 a year, or about $16 a month. Reinvest those dividends, and watch your income grow over time. Strategy number 2: real estate investing. The second strategy is investing in real estate, one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. This could mean owning rental properties or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Rental properties. Example, if you own a property that rents for $1,500 a month, after expenses like the mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, you could net $500 a month in passive income. Over time, the property appreciates in value, adding to your wealth. REITs. If owning physical property isn't for you, consider investing in REITs. These allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Many REITs pay dividends, making them a great passive income source. Example, a $20,000 investment in a REIT with a 5% yield would generate $1,000 a year in passive income, or $83 a month. Are these strategies inspiring you to take action? If so, don't forget to subscribe to your financial freedom for more tips on building wealth. Hit the like button to support the channel, and share your favorite passive income strategy in the comments below. Strategy number 3: create digital products. Another powerful way to generate passive income is by creating digital products. This requires some upfront effort, but once your product is made, it can generate income for years. Examples of digital products: e-books. Write a guide on a topic you're knowledgeable about and sell it online. Online courses. Share your expertise in areas like cooking, coding, or marketing. Stock photos or graphics. Upload your content to platforms like Shutterstock or Etsy. Example, if you sell an ebook for $20 and sell just 50 copies a month, that's $1,000 in passive income. Creating digital products isn't just about making money, it's about sharing your skills with the world and earning income while you sleep. Strategy number 4: peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper make this easy to set up. Example, if you invest $10,000 with an average return of 8%, you'll earn $800 a year, or about $67 a month in passive income. Caution: while peer-to-peer lending can offer high returns, it also comes with risk. Diversify your loans across multiple borrowers to reduce the chance of loss. Strategy number 5: high-yield savings accounts and bonds. If you're looking for lower risk options, consider high yield savings accounts or bonds. These won't make you rich overnight, but they provide steady, reliable income. Example, a $10,000 investment in a bond paying 3% annually would generate $300 a year, or $25 a month. Combine this with other strategies to build toward your $1,000 goal. Here's how you can combine these strategies to reach $1,000 a month in passive income. Invest $50,000 in dividend-paying stocks at a 4% yield for $167 a month. Purchase a rental property that nets $500 a month. Sell digital products to generate $300 a month. Add peer-to-peer lending or bonds for an additional $33 a month. Total, $1,000 a month in passive income. The journey to $1,000 a month starts with your first dollar. Stay consistent, reinvest your earnings, and watch your passive income grow. Let's recap the strategies for building $1,000 a month in passive income: dividend-paying stocks, real estate investing, digital products, peer-to-peer lending, high-yield savings accounts and bonds. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start with the strategy that excites you most and scale up from there. If this video inspired you to start building passive income, don't stop here. Subscribe to Your Financial Freedom for more tips and strategies, hit the like button, and share your favorite strategy in the comments below. Let's build your financial freedom together. Thank you for watching, and remember, the choices you make today will determine your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll have passive income working for you. Let's make it happen.